Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working here on a specific vehicle, and what happened, guys, we're trying to connect the OBD scanner. Okay, you know, the Diagnostic 2, and it doesn't want to connect. It does have, it has no communication with the computer of the vehicle for some reason, and I want to show you how to fix that. You work on any vehicle, guys, Audi, Mercedes, Land Rover, Toyota, American, whatever it is. You always have a fuse somewhere for the OBD port. Okay. For that Mercedes specifically, it's called Diagnostic socket. Okay, and you might have the fuse inside the car or under the engine cover there. You have fuses as well, so depending on the vehicle you have to check your manual. If you cannot find a diagnostic socket, what you're going to do, okay, you're going to be looking for cigarette lighter fuse, for the charging ports fuse, okay, and that way, okay, it should, okay, port socket like that, it could be connected to one of those. That should fix the problem. So let me demonstrate now what's happening here. I heard that some shops on the forums, dealers, will do that, so you cannot do the diagnostics yourself. We'll connect it, guys. We connect the OBD scanner and we have absolutely no communication. It doesn't even want to power on. So our fuse is right here, should be right here. Okay, it should be F30 7.5, and this one is missing. Check it out, somebody took it out. Okay, it could be a person that needed it for something. They needed it, they were on the road, and then they forgot to put it back on. It could be. Okay, our manual asks for 7.5 fuse. And once we plug it in, check out what happens. Communication with the vehicle. Okay, so that's great. So that will be, guys, the whole procedure. Hopefully the video is helpful to some of you that need that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.